Hey guys, welcome to Bullet Bunny channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace battery of car remote controller. Easy and anybody can do it. You need a little plier like this, or utility knife, and this is smaller version. And then of course you need a new battery that is you have to double check the exact size, but most of cases, ECR 2032 3 volts lithium, the coin battery. Okay, you can buy it easy from the Amazon, and but you know, make sure open it and then what is applied in your remote controller first. So normally like this. This is from Honda SUV. And open. Okay, this is like a what is it, like a lever, like a switch. So, and then you can take it apart with this is a manual key actually. So if there's no battery, you can actually manually open your car. Okay, and then this is a body, and as you see the receiver here, and then there's a little gap here. Can you see that? And then using your plier, I'm using a MacGyver utility, Swiss Army, and insert and tilt a little bit. Okay, so basically I'm trying to disassemble gently. Okay, all right, a little bit. Okay, let me see. Oh, okay, yeah. So see. Hang on. So once check the use battery. Oh, normally like my Honda Odyssey 2014, it gives you the alarming on your dashboard with the word, like a sentence, like battery is out, or you know, time to replace, that kind of message. That's how you know, right? And then back to my video, and as you see, this is a top, okay, it's a plus, and the bottom is minus. So you have to make sure the polarity, okay, orientation must be this. So plus sign here, and then energizer, all the logo readable should be to up. Okay, so let me take the new battery out. Okay, all right, so let me take it out. So new battery out. As you see, this is a plus and this is a minus. So this is a new one. Okay, I put it right here, and I want to take it out, the old one. Okay, no to be replaced. Using the plier, gently push up, and it come out like this. Get loose. All right, and as you see, circular. And now this, in you know, it doesn't matter how to rotate. Is the only thing is important thing is plus and minus. As I said, all the characters and all the readable thing, that is, as you see the plus sign there, this is a plus, so it must be upward, and gently push down. So this is it. So the backward assembly is quite simple. Okay, and then reverse order. So gently see around perimeter, it looks like fit. Then after that, and gently push, okay, until you hear like click sound, click, click. See? So mechanically snatched. And then put the manual key, slide into like that. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Alright, please subscribe my channel, leave your comments, like my video, and see you next time.